I'm ready.
Yeah.
All right, so we had our first day, right?
Yep.
And we got our ice cream.
You got your ice cream?
We're getting cold now.
What do we think about our first day?
Good.
I made a new way.
Wonderful.
Very tired.
I know, I'm a little pooped myself. It was a long day from 9 to 3. So for those of you all that are interested in classical conversations, we just finished our first in-person day. It went very well. I was very, very happy with the curriculum and how it's all mapped out and how we're going to progress this next week until our next in-person day. I will be honest and say it's a little overwhelming at first because there's so much information and there's a lot of little acronyms and tricks to learn when you first begin that helps you memorize the foundational elements and concepts that you'll need to carry you through the entire program and just through the curriculum, but it's well worth it. So Corinna she was a little overwhelmed with reading, correct, Corinna?
Yes.
But we got through it and we're going to have all week to work on it. You all, what was your favorite part for Corinna?
After Cal.
Okay, well, what was your favorite learning part, not the playing?
Making that experiment.
Cool. Henry, what was your favorite part?
Probably playing number knockout.
Number knockout?
Me too.
Number knockout. So we got to play some fun games with addition, a multiplication, exponent, subtractions, and I'm probably leaving something else out, division, I think. But we are all pooped now. We've had ice cream, our bellies are full. So we are going to just relax for the rest of the day. And then tomorrow I will take you through a day of us doing our first day of curriculum at home with classical conversations. So the next part of the video will show a day in our classical conversations life. Hey guys, so it is the morning. I just got up. The mornings are always super hard for me because I am not a morning person. But I feel like I have found a very good balance with doing my self-care before I start homeschooling. I'm a better mom. I feel better about myself. It gives me a burst of energy. I'm sure it's the adrenaline from working out. And it gives me time to have my own self-care so that I can be good at educating them and going about the day and just in an overall better mood. So this is a day in our homeschooling life. I'm going to take you through. Like I said, I work out first, then I take a shower, get freshened up, feel super good about myself. Like, you know, I'm Superwoman. I can overtake the world. Then we dive into our homeschooling for the day. Our homeschooling is on like a 6-day type of trajectory, which I hear the kids now, I think they've gotten up. And so we have 6 days to go through all the concepts that we learned on our in-person day. And I have the 3 kids I do first, all 3 of them. And then I do the 2 older ones last because they have to go up a level, of course, with the concepts. And they have more detailed information that they have to complete for each week. So we do it all together first, and then I do it with the 2 older ones. And sometimes I take my daughter aside to help her with decoding, especially with the English and grammar. And then my son, I have to usually give him extra work because he finishes very fast. So this is our day, and I hope you enjoy the glimpse. If you have any questions, of course, leave the comments. I would love to be a little bit more jovial and energetic, but like I said, I am not a morning person. Like, I'm trying to be. I think it's very good to be a morning person because you can get a lot done in the morning. But I'm just not. It ain't for me. All right, let's get this workout on. workout done. Now time to clean up and get ready to school these children. So just to give you a little insight, with Classical Conversations, we go over throughout the week geography, science, math, reading and writing, history, and Latin. So that gives you a little bit of understanding of all the subject matter that we cover. I usually start off with geography, and right now we are learning 5 different states. And then we go on to science, and then usually Latin and reading and writing and history. I start with my youngest, and then I move on to my 2 oldest. And they go more in depth into the history, reading and writing curriculum. We also supplement with some apps to do math worksheets and math concepts. And I also have them doing some supplemental apps to learn keyboarding as well, so they can strengthen their typing skills.
Connective, feel, muscles, nerve.